Hey guys, I'm going to make this a really short classwork video today because I want you to have time to study for your test if you need it. Or sorry, not test, quiz. Sorry about that. You have a quiz tomorrow on what we've done this week. And since we don't have a review day this week, I want to just make this short so that you have some time to study. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do all these in the first section. We're actually just going to, we're not going to worry about this second section. It's just prime factorization, and I'm not that worried about that. So mark out the second section, and then we'll also do the third section together. All right, so for the first section, it's about plugging in the value for the variable and then just doing the math. So we're going to plug in the -2 for the x, and then just do the math, and that's 2. Plug in the 5, 9, and then plug in the 10, that's 14. So we'll do the same thing. Let's go down to this one because it's still just one variable. So we still just have one variable down here. 3 times -3 minus 7. That's going to be -9 minus 7. That's -16. And 3 times 0 minus 7 is -7. 3 times 8 minus 7, that's 24. Minus 7 is 17. Okay, so then we have two variables up here. So we're going to plug in x for x and y for y. That's going to be -9 minus -2. So that's -11. Sorry, I'm wrong. I'm sorry, I didn't change this. It should be plus positive. I'm tired this morning. That's going to be -7. This is going to be 0 minus 3, -3. And then 6 minus 7 is -1. My -1s always look like 7s. All right, this one is 4. I'm going to use parentheses this time, times -5 plus 6 times 9. So that's -20 plus 54. That is 34, so I can put that in there. And then this one is 4 times 8. Let me make this bigger. It's too small. 4 times 8 plus 6 times -4. So that's going to be +8. And then the last one, 4 times 4 plus 6 times -7 should be -26. 16 minus 42. Okay, -26 is what I get. All right, so skip that next section and go on down to equivalent expressions, and we're going to determine whether these are equivalent or not. So let's see, 2x times yz squared is just 2x yz squared. That is not equivalent to 4x yz squared. Let's see, how do they want us to answer this exactly? Just with a yes or no. For some reason, my key says that yes, they are equivalent. Maybe they thought they put a 2 in there, but the answer here is no. They're not equivalent. Let's go over to this one. So this expression, if we distribute that 3 in, we get 6x, plus 24, and that is equivalent to 6x plus 24, so that would be a yes. Let's go over here. 5x plus 125. If I distribute the there we go. If I distribute the 5 in over here, I get 5x plus 125. This one's a yes. Let's look at this one down here. 1/2 times 4, that's the same thing as 4 divided by 2, so that's 2x, and that's plus 7. This would be a no. And then 2 more. This would be 4x squared plus 24. This is a no. And the last one, 9xy times 9x cubed. This is going to be 9 times 9 is 81. X times x cubed is x to the 4th, and then your y just gets put on the end. This is a yes. All right. So I actually, yeah, this last section, this goes on the next lesson for next week. So you won't see this on your video because I will have covered it up. All right, so that's it for today's classwork. That was short and sweet. So study for your quiz. Tomorrow's quiz I haven't made it yet, but it'll most likely be a Canvas quiz, and you'll have a couple of attempts on that.